We welcome all the devotees for this Talents Day function of Culture Camp students. In fact, Prahalad Maharaj, one of the greatest devotee of Lord Krishna, he said, Kaumara acharet pragno dharman bhagavataniha durlabham manusham janma tadapi adruvam arthadam. Prahlad said that one has to learn the principles of God consciousness from a very tender age of 5. So, to fulfill the instruction of Prahalad Maharaj, and also Srila Prabhupada, who started ISKCON movement, he had a great desire that this teaching of God consciousness has to be imparted to the children. And personally, Srila Prabhupada established many Gurukulas all over the world. So, to fulfill the desire of Srila Prabhupada, every year we have been conducting many programs for school children. One among them is this Culture Camp. Over the past few years, we have been seeing that children coming enthusiastically and participating. We used to get almost around 50 to 60 students every year. But to our surprise, this year we had almost 85 children coming and participating. We are very grateful to all the children and all the parents who have been very kindly supporting this program and also interested in teaching this God consciousness to children. Now, a few of these children will come forward and present whatever they have learned in this Culture Camp. First, we will be having few students presenting Sankirtana. After this, the same students will also be chanting few verses from the Vedic literature. They will also tell the meaning of these verses. Many times we see students learning the verses, but if they know the meaning of these verses, it will help them to apply these teachings in their own life in the future. After the Sankirtan and Shloka chanting, we'll have few students depicting the wonderful pastimes of Sri Ramanujacharya. This year happens to be the 1000th anniversary of Sri Ramanujacharya's appearance. To commemorate his appearance and also to value his teachings, we are presenting this drama. After this drama, we will be having a short arati and then devotees can have prasadam. I request all the devotees to kindly stay back till the end of the program. And before we begin, I request all the devotees here to kindly keep their mobile phones in silent mode so that the students who come here, they'll not get disturbed. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine. Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschata Desatarine. Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadara Srivasadi Gaur Bhaktavrinda Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadara Srivasadi Gaur Bhaktavrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna जय श्री कृष्ण बलराम की, जय श्री निताय गौरंग की, जगत गुरु श्री प्रभुपाद की।
राधा माधवा कुंज विहारी, जय राधा माधवा कुंज विहारी, जय गोपी जन वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी, जय गोपी जन वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी, यशोदनन्दन व्रज जनरञ्जना, यशोदनन्दन व्रज जनरञ्जना, यमुनतीरा वनचारी, यमुनतीरा वनचारी, जय राधा माधवा कुंज विहारी, जय गोपी गिरिवरधारी, यशोदनन्दन व्रज जनरञ्जना, यशोदनन्दन व्रज जनरञ्जना, यमुनतीरा वनचारी, यमुनतीरा वनचारी, जय राधा माधवा कुंज विहारी, जय राधा कृष्ण चंद्र राधे, जय निष्ठाय गौरंग, जय निष्ठाय गौरंग, नित्याय गौरंग, जय नित्याय गौरंग, जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 प्रभुपाद, नित्याय गौरा हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल, जय श्री राधा कृष्ण चंद्र की, निताय गौरंग की, जगत गुरु श्रील प्रभुपाद की।
मन श्री नंदनंदन अभय चरण रविंदरे, बजाऊ रे मन श्री नंदनंदन अभय चरण रविंदरे। ಚರಣರವಿಂದರೆ ಸೀತಾ ಆತಪ ವತ ಪರೀಶನ ಎದಿನ ಜಾಮಿನಿ ಜಾಗಿರೆ ವಿಫಲ ಸೇವಿನು ಕೃಪಣ ದುರಜನ ವಿಫಲ ಸೇವಿನು ಕೃಪಣ ದುರಜನ ಚಪಲ ಸುಕಲ ಬಾಲಾಗಿರೆ ಭಜಹುರೆ ಮನ ಶ್ರೀನಂದನಂದನ ಅಭಯ ಚರಣರವಿಂದರೆ ಎದನ ಯೌವನ ಪುತ್ರ ಪರಿಜನ ಹಿತಕಿ ಆಚೆ ಪರಾತೀತಿರೆ ಕಮಲದಲ ಜಲ ಜೀವನ ಕಲಮಲ ಕಮಲದಲ ಜಲ ಜೀವನ ಕಲಮಲ ಭಜಹು ಹರಿ ಪದ ನೀತಿರೆ ಭಜಹುರೆ ಮನ ಶ್ರೀನಂದನಂದನ ಅಭಯ ಚರಣರವಿಂದರೆ ಶ್ರವಣ ಕೀರ್ತನ ಸ್ಮರಣ ವಂದನ ಪಾದ ಸೇವನ ದಾಸರೇ ಪೂಜನ ಸಖಿ ಜನ ಆತ್ಮನಿವೇದನ ಪೂಜನ ಸಖಿ ಜನ ಆತ್ಮನಿವೇದನ ಗೋವಿಂದ ದಾಸ ಅಭಿಲಾಷರೇ ಭಜಹುರೆ ಮನ ಶ್ರೀನಂದನಂದನ ಅಭಯ ಚರಣರವಿಂದರೆ श्री कृष्ण बलराम की
जय।
जय श्री राधा कृष्ण चंद्र की
जय।
जगत गुरु श्रीला प्रभुपाद की
जय।
निताय गौर प्रेमानंद की
यशोमती नंदन ब्रज बारो नागर गोकुल रंजन काना यशोमती नंदन ब्रज बारो नागर गोकुल रंजन काना गोपी परनदन मदन मनोहर कालिया दमन विधान अमल हरिना ममिया विलास विपिन पुरंदर नवीन नगर भोर वंशी बदान सुवास वंशी बदान सुवास व्रजजन पालन असुरकुल नाशन नंद गोदन रखवाल गोविंद माधव नवनीत तस्कर सुंदर नंद गोपाल यमुना तट चर गोपी वसन हर रास रसिका कृपा मोया श्री राधा वल्लभ वृंदावन नटवर श्री राधा वल्लभ वृंदावन नटवर भक्ति विनोद छाया यशोमती नंदन ब्रज बारो नागर गोकुल रंजन काना जय कृष्ण बलराम जय कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम जय कृष्ण बलराम जय निताय गौरंग जय निताय गौरंग निताय गौरंग जय निताय गौरंग जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 निताय गौर हरि श्री श्री कृष्ण बलराम की श्री निताय गौरंग की जगत गुरु शिला प्रभुपाद की
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम जय सीताराम पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम जय सीताराम पतित पावन सीताराम। जय सीताराम जय लक्ष्मण हनुमान की जय श्री प्रभुपाद की नित्य गौर प्रेमानंदा।
नमस्ते नरसिंहाय
पूर्वक्षः
नरसिम्हदेव की जय। श्रीला प्रभुपाद की जय।
विद्याराजकुह्यं पवित्रमिदमुत्तमं प्रत्यक्षवादवं दम्यं सुसुखं कर्तुमव्ययम्। मच्चित्ता सर्वदुर्गाणि मत्प्रसाद तरिष्यसि हतचेत्त्वं अहङ्कारा नश्योऽसि न नश्यसि।
You tell the translation of Rajavidya.
This knowledge is the king of education, the most secrets of all secrets. It is the purest knowledge, and because it gives the direct perception of the self by realization. It is the perfection of religion. It is everlasting and joyfully performed.
You tell the translation of Machchitta.
If you be conscious of me, you will pass all over the obstacles of the conditioned life by my grace. If, however, you do not work in such consciousness and act through false ego, not hearing me, you will be lost.
वासांसि जीर्णानि यथा विहाय नवानि गृह्णाति नरोपराणि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णानि अन्यादि संयाति नवानि देहि.
As a person puts all new garments, giving up old ones, the soul similarly accepts new material bodies, giving the old and useless ones.
Satatam कीर्तयन्तो मां यतन्तस्तद्गुणव्रताः नमस्यन्तश्च मां भक्त्या नित्ययुक्ता उपासते.
Always chanting my glory, endeavoring with great determination, bowing down before me, these great souls perpetually worship me with devotion.
यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठा तत्तदेवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते.
Whatever action a great man perform, common men follow, and whatever standard he sets by exemplary acts, all the world pursues.
परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
To deliver the pious and to annihilate the miscreants, as well as to re-establish the principles of the region, I myself appear millennium after millennium.
Namah Pankajanaಭaya Namah Pankajamaline Namah Pankajanetraya Namaste Pankajangrahe.
My respectful obeisances are unto you, O Lord, whose abdomen is marked with depression of lotus flower, who are always decorated with garlands of lotus flower, whose glance is as cool as lotuses, and whose feet is engraved with lotuses.
Namo Brahmanya Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha Jagadhitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha.
I offer my respectful obeisances to I offer my respectful obeisance to Supreme Lord Krishna, who is a well-wisher of cows and brahmanas as well as living entities in general. I offer my repeated obeisances to Govinda, who is a pleasure issuer for all the senses.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Iti shodashakam namna Kali kalmashanashanam Nattapparataropaya Sarva Vedeshu Drushyate.
The 16 words Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare are meant for counteracting the contaminations of Kali. To save oneself from the contaminations of Kali, there is no alternative but the chanting of these 16 words.
जय श्री कृष्ण बलराम की, जय श्री नित्याय गौरंग की, जगत गुरु शिला प्रभुपाद की, नित्याय गौर प्रेमानंद.
One round of applause for these children, innocent children, so happily coming on the stage and performing in front of the Lord. In a short while, we will be having the drama.